With a quality clog drainer, you truly can clear a drain in seconds. And I'm thrilled that EastLink sent me their clog drain cleaner, as this is way fancier and more durable than anything I've used before. With these, you get 3 extra long drain cleaners that are actually stainless steel with a nylon coating. And they have this great pull tab here, and this bottom piece keeps sticking to me, as this is what's gonna grab anything in your drain. It's this little Velcro piece, and if need be, you can actually bend this a little bit to get just a little more catch, but really you just stick this thing down, spin it around, and pull it out. So let's put it to the test. Here it is close up. Really, really nice, solid material, definitely stainless steel with that coating. And here's the Velcro piece that's gonna catch everything. Now this sink is not clogged, but I am sure the drain cleaner will clean it anyway. Just gonna take off the cap and stick it on down in there. And it really does go far. And you can kind of keep pushing it if it gets stuck. And then once you get all the way in there, you can spin it. And that spin will help it really push against the walls and grab anything that's in there, and then pull out. Whoa. And it definitely pulled out a lot of gross grime. Now once you pull it out, you do have to pull all the grime off the Velcro. It really does hold everything to it, which is great for getting things out of your drain, but not for the faint of heart when it comes to cleaning it if you have a really gross drain. So I decided to also attack the sink in the primary bathroom, as I assume this one will be a lot grosser, and yes, it pulled a lot out of this drain. It did a fantastic job. This is great for not only pulling out clogs, but also keeping your drain clean from clogs, as they usually build up quite a bit before they turn into a big clog. I'm really impressed with these drain clog removers. They do a fantastic job on my drains. And I love, love, love that they are longer than the average drain cleaner, and that the metal makes it so they can get down in some really twisted pipes or really tough clogs, and they're gonna hold up just fine, getting that clog out for you without any risk of the drain cleaner itself breaking in your drain. These are clog removers that really do the job. So I'm thrilled I have these. I will definitely use them for any clogs I run into, and will use them for the occasional preventative cleaning. EastLink Metal Drain Clog Removers.